to you. I believe you've been sleeping because I told you guys we'll see you tomorrow. So have you been sleeping? We hope so. But anyway, we are well rested. We are back, but we can't start the work on day number 3 on the Tesla until we got some more heat guns. So I'm gonna shoot off, go get some more heat guns. But H is here and Hamza is here, and they're gonna be smashing into the Tesla and carrying on. So I'm gonna leave you with these guys while I shoot off. Okay, it's time to head to the wooden beamer so we can go and get some of these heat guns and get the work going. You guys not seen the wooden beamer? Let me show you the wooden beamer real quick. It's not about the wooden beamer this week, it's about the Tesla, but I'm still gonna show you the wooden beamer. This is my sexy baby. Look at it. She's beautiful. Huh? Look at that grain. It's been maturing. Over the last like 1 year, it's gone from being a yellow wood to a whitish, oakish wood. Man, it looks fire. It looks fire. Let's go. Now, because our heat guns have died all of a sudden, we need emergency heat guns. So we got no choice today but to come here at the lovely tool station and see what heat guns they've got. So let's check it out, see what's going on. And right now everyone is looking at me awkward because I'm talking and vlogging.
What was your postcode?
All right, so our local tool station managed to sort us out, which means we've now got our Black & Decker temporary heat guns that we're going to be using until we can get our Steino back. Let's go back to the wooden BM, but we're not done yet because I've decided since I'm here, I might as well go to another shop that we normally go to update our cloth, because you saw us prepping Tesla the other day, but now it's ruined. It hasn't ruined all my cloth, but it'll be good to get new cloth ready for the next car that we're going to be doing and all that sort of things. So let's go. Whew, okay, so tool station is just here. I've just crossed over the road to come to this company here, but it looks like this side the gate is closed, so I have to walk all the way to the other side, which is fucking fuck that. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna go get my car. I'm not walking all that way. It's too much. Literally, I'm not walking all the way to there. No ways. I have to go to the other side. You know? Ban that. Let's go get the wooden beamer. That's the gate that was closed from the other side, taking the mick, and this is where we wanna be. Hello, good people. When the good people come out. Bumper gel. So let's get one of them bottles, which is a tint bottle. So we'll get the black one, because one of our other bottles is starting to get old now, so we might as well step ahead of it. Yep, so here we are. £70 later. I was only gone to get a heat gun. Now I'm getting heat guns, cloth, blah blah. I was only meant to spend a little bit. Now I spent £200. But anyway, let's go back to the shop. Let's go jump back on the Tesla and see how the guys have got on, and I can jump back on them bumpers and start getting them done. So we're not just wrapping it, we're not just making it blue and black, we're also going to be doing a few extras that are going to make this car really stand out when we're done with it. So we're currently prepping the calipers right now. We've got a special color that we've had specially mixed just for these calipers. So we're gonna crack on prepping them. You guys are gonna see the color when we've put it on.
Cê é louco, meu Deus.
So now we are about to install the back half of this beauty. You guys have seen the front end, what color it's gonna be. The back half is going in a satin black, which is what we're cutting out right now. So we're gonna get cutting, getting ready. We're gonna start with the back bumper, which I've been prepping, so we're good to go now. Woo! So now that I've got my new hip guns, we can actually start doing the work now. But fun fact for you guys, we've got some Black & Decker heat guns today. This was the first ever heat gun brand that I owned. And at the time, it came from my ex's granddad. Babe, I'm sorry, you know, it wasn't ex. But this was the first ever heat gun I owned. It was a green one back then, a Black & Decker green one. But, oh my God, that thing lasted me, it must have been a good three years of me rapping. It's the longest lasting heat gun I have ever owned, because since then I've never owned another heat gun that's lasted 3 years. So I don't know if it was that good, or maybe I wasn't rapping much when I started. But I think Black & Decker, you need to send us some heat guns so we can test this out. See if your heat guns are the best for rapping or not. Guys, day number 3. Even though I'm eating ice cream, we have been grinding, we have been working. Let me show you guys where we are today before I shoot off home and enjoy the rest of my ice cream. So front end is looking totally different to how it looked this morning, because we've done the doors, we've done the wing, we've also done the bonnet, we've done the wing mirror, but the back end is starting to come along now as well. So we've got the back matte black half that's going to be going onto the middle section to join them up, fully done. The bumper on the back is fully done, which I hadn't even forgotten about, bro. We've done the bumper as well. We've done a lot today, you know. Show you the other side, because that's looking cool as well. We haven't done the black, but we've marked up all sections. We've done the measurements, so we're ready to smash it in the morning when we come in. We're just going to put the tapes, do the black, do the blue, and the car is pretty much done.